What's up guys, it's Lincoln and welcome back to my factory speed. Today I'm at my house and I'm going to take y'all back to the early and mid 2000s with the 2016 Cayman GTS and the 911 4S. Let's get into it. Let me take you guys back to 2016 with the 2016 Porsche Cayman GTS. Fitted with black rims and a black paint, this car's starting price back in 2016 was a solid $75,200 from the lot. You can now find this car for prices a little over $60,000 with around 30,000 miles on it. It comes with all the luxury features you'd find on a Porsche. Luxury seats, interior, and of course, the best sounding exhaust. Genuinely, when I was like revving this thing, I was like trying to be really quiet and I was like genuinely shocked when I heard the car. So like, yeah. Now don't be fooled by its horsepower. This car is still a killer on the road and is especially enjoyable on canyon roads due to its mid-engine design. Now, let's take a look at its iconic counterpart, the Porsche 911 Carrera 4S, specifically the 2011 model. Now don't be fooled by its age, this car will still rival cars of the current day. It packs a 3.8 liter flat 6 into the back of the car, making it a rear engine vehicle. It makes 385 horsepower and is considered to be a future classic. And of course, it sounds beautiful as always and does not disappoint. So, which one is your best pick in terms of pricing, power, and future value? Well, the 911's potential for buying and holding is very high, so it takes the cake for future value. The Cayman takes the cake for immediate return for enjoyability and the fact its cost is predicted to go up 20 to 30%. For the true all-rounded answer, which car is better? That all is up to the buyer and what they'll use it for. Well, if you made it to this point, thank you, and I really appreciate it because I need the views, you know. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. I'm almost at like 400 subscribers, so like please subscribe, please.